Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before we dive into today's analysis, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more stock insights, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your support means a lot and helps me keep bringing you the latest updates and deep dives into the stock market. Today, we're putting HIVE Digital Technologies under the microscope. If you're ready to break down this stock from every angle, let's get started. Let's start with a quick introduction to HIVE Digital Technologies Ltd. This company has been making waves in the tech and finance sectors, attracting attention from investors and analysts alike. Over the past few months, HIVE has become a hot topic, and today we'll explore why. We'll look at its recent performance, technical indicators, and what might be next for this dynamic stock. HIVE has shown remarkable bullish momentum over the last 3 months. Starting from around 1.7 in June, the stock has consistently climbed, reaching a peak of 4.33 by mid-September. This impressive run reflects strong investor confidence and positive sentiment in the market. The stock has more than doubled in value, with higher highs and higher lows marking a clear uptrend. Even after some profit-taking, HIVE is maintaining its upward trajectory, currently trading at 3.88. Examining the price and volume action, HIVE has experienced steady growth with notable volume spikes during key moves. In June and July, trading volumes were moderate, but July 2 saw a surge to over 51 million shares as the price jumped. Another spike came in late August, and the most significant volumes occurred in early September, peaking at nearly 59 million shares. These elevated volumes suggest ongoing strong interest and healthy support for the uptrend. Moving averages are a key tool for understanding trends. For HIVE, the 5-day and 10-day averages are above the current price, indicating short-term consolidation. The 20-day, 50-day, and 200-day averages are all well below the current price, confirming a strong long-term bullish structure. The EMAs are generally above their SMAs, which is typical in a robust uptrend, as EMAs respond more quickly to recent price changes. Let's look at the technical indicators. The RSI is at 79.46, signaling overbought conditions and hinting at a possible pullback. The MACD remains bullish, though the gap with its signal line is narrowing. Bollinger Bands show the price near the upper band, and the Money Flow Index is neutral. The ADX and Arun Up both confirm a strong trend, while the Commodity Channel Index and Stochastic Oscillator also point to overbought territory. Overall, the indicators are bullish but suggest short-term caution. Relative Strength Index, or RSI, is a momentum indicator that measures the speed and change of price movements. An RSI above 70 typically signals that a stock is overbought, meaning it may be due for a pullback or consolidation. For HIVE, the current RSI is well above this threshold, so investors should be aware of the potential for short-term corrections even in a strong uptrend. MACD, or Moving Average Convergence Divergence, is another key indicator. For HIVE, the MACD is at 0.38 with a positive histogram, showing bullish momentum. However, the gap between the MACD and its signal line has narrowed, which can sometimes precede a slowdown or consolidation. It's important to watch this indicator for any shifts in momentum that could affect the stock's short-term direction. Bollinger Bands help us understand volatility. HIVE's price is currently near the upper band, which often signals overbought conditions and can precede a pullback. The bands are wide, reflecting recent volatility. If the price stays near the upper band, it could mean continued strength, but a move back toward the middle band would indicate consolidation or a minor correction. Linear regression is a statistical tool that helps identify the overall trend of a stock by fitting a straight line through its price data. For HIVE, the regression line would show a clear upward slope reflecting the consistent price appreciation. When the current price trades above this line, it indicates strong bullish momentum, but it also suggests the possibility of a reversion toward the mean if the stock becomes overextended. Based on the current price action and technical indicators, HIVE is likely to open between 3.85 and 3.9 on the next trading day. The VWAP and PSAR are both below the current price, supporting the bullish trend. However, with the RSI in overbought territory and the price near the upper Bollinger Band, some consolidation at the open is possible. A slightly lower open followed by stabilization is the most probable scenario unless bullish momentum continues strongly. Let's break down the key support and resistance levels for HIVE. The stock is currently at 3.88 with immediate resistance at 4 and a stronger barrier at 4.33. If it breaks above these, 4.5 is the next target. On the downside, support sits at 3.74 with further levels at 3.6 and 3.4. The price is closer to resistance, suggesting potential selling pressure near these levels. Watching how the stock reacts at these points is crucial for short-term traders. Intraday, HIVE could test the 4 resistance level. If resistance holds, a pullback toward 3.8385 is likely. A break above 4 could see a quick move toward 4.2 for 30. Conversely, a drop below 3.74 might lead to a test of 3.6 support. These patterns highlight the importance of monitoring price action closely, especially around key levels where buyers and sellers are most active. Average true range ATR for HIVE is 0.249, indicating moderate volatility. Based on the closing price of 3.88, the potential high for the next trading day could be around 4.13, with a potential low near 3.63. However, given current overbought conditions, the actual range may be tighter, likely between 3.75 and 4 unless volatility increases significantly. ATR, or average true range, is a volatility indicator that measures how much a stock typically moves during a given period. A higher ATR means more volatility, while a lower ATR suggests a calmer market. For HIVE, the ATR indicates moderate volatility, so traders can expect some movement but not extreme swings unless new catalysts emerge. The bullish scenario, HIVE breaks above the 4 resistance and challenges the recent high at 4.33. If momentum continues, the stock could even reach new highs above 4.5, especially if supported by strong volume and positive sentiment. This scenario is most likely given the current technical setup, but it's important to watch for confirmation through price action and volume. Neutral scenario sees HIVE consolidating between 3.7 and 4 as it digests recent gains. This could involve several days of sideways trading with decreasing volume, allowing the stock to build a base for its next move. This scenario is common after a strong run-up and can be healthy for the overall trend, preventing overextension. The bearish scenario, HIVE pulls back toward the 3.4360 support area, especially if the broader market turns negative or there's adverse company news. This would be confirmed by a break below 3.7 with increasing volume. While less likely given the current uptrend, it's important for investors to be prepared for all outcomes and manage risk accordingly. Sum up, HIVE has delivered impressive performance, more than doubling in value over the past 3 months. The technical indicators confirm a strong uptrend, but also warn of potential short-term consolidation due to overbought conditions. The moving averages and volume patterns support the bullish case, but investors should keep an eye on key support and resistance levels for signs of the next move. Investors should closely monitor volume patterns and how HIVE reacts at critical support and resistance levels. A break above 4 with strong volume would signal a continuation of the uptrend, while a drop below 3.7 could indicate a deeper pullback. Staying alert to these signals can help you make informed decisions and manage your positions effectively. Overall, HIVE remains in a strong technical position, but short-term caution is warranted given the overbought signals. As always, do your own research and consider your risk tolerance before making any investment decisions. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.